ndikori onego we iwinjo ni rowere thoth gi mawuok oko mandikore. Kadhi nyime Abdi Hamid Hassan mawuok e kaunti ma Isiolo jaloch mapiem pinje weche mag lony manyasani makonyo kedo kod lokruok machal ma kor lwasi. Hassan ochugo lony mar artificial intelligence lony manyasani makonyo choko nonro kokalo kuom masinde mag satellites e kinde oro kod chiemo ne jamni. Lony makamano bang'e chiwo lipot ne jopith jamni kaachiel kokalo yor ong'we yamo. Lony makamano mokawo namba e piem mong'ere kaka Red Bull Basement nyo timore e kategruok ma IHAB e boma ma Nairobi. Jamadi koro dhi telo ne piny Kenya piem ma pinje madhi timore Silicon Valley e piny Amerika dwe mar auchiel higani.
Academic AI is a technology that uses AI to allow the land to call the pastoralist in real time. You don't expect a pastoralist to have a data, and you don't expect a pastoralist to have a smartphone in the desert, in the middle of nowhere. That's why the land calls the pastoralist in his own kabambe, using local dialects and using the persona of an experienced elder, guiding that pastoralist on hard movements and supplementation with data-driven precision.
Doesn't matter how good your business idea is, if you can't tell the story appropriately, you can't sell it. And the last one, concept uniqueness. It has to be something that can never be built anywhere else on earth if possible.
And I think what also excited me was the number of women who were on this stage.
That's right.
Women who were proud and loud and confident and tackling issues that are, very technology driven, AI powered. I think, like you